Okay, good afternoon. Right now we are heading towards Oldtown, as it supposedly should be quite busy out there. And lots and lots of Spanish people are there who have arrived the last few days from inland. So first of all, we're gonna head up there and look at the view. But we're not going through Oldtown yet. We're gonna take the short route up here. So we are there pretty quickly, as we just had a 20-minute walk all the way from the other end, from the Levante Beach. We are passing the Barcelo Hotel. Pretty old one, but they renovated it very nicely. And those bars over here, it's very quiet. Usually lots of people forget these and take the entrance to Oldtown a few streets back. And we are up there. Let's have a look at the view on the Poniente side. Seems like he's doing a pretty good job. You can also go to this one. Buy some bracelets, I see. And let's take a look at the other side. And there is the much more lively Levante side. And we just came all the way from back there. It was about a 20-minute walk up here. And yeah, steady pace. And there are quite an amount of people up here. You can also check out these ruins from an old castle that used to be here. And there is a Chinese guy with a speaker on for the entertainment, but Chinese music in Spain? Nah, not the best, I think. Okay, that was fun to look at. Let me know in the comments, do you ever visit this part of Benidorm, or you're usually staying near the Brit, where the Brits are staying? Like Rincon, Levante, or I just head to Oldtown each time you're visiting Benidorm. Yeah, let me know in the comments below. And check out that small beach down there. Very easily, if you easily lose your kids out of sight. This one's just so small, they can't escape. Unless up there in the ocean, but at least there's a lifeguard somewhere down there as well. Yes, we're passing the Mojito Bar. Place where we can see some Brits again. As usually this place, or at least Oldtown, is packed with Spanish people. This and the Poniente side is where they always stay. And when this part gets too boring, they make a trip to the Levante side to see the nightlife, what is all happening there. Right now there's hardly anyone, but in summer this place fills up so fast. Over here is the Marina, one of the places where you can book a boat tour to Benidorm Island. And you can buy also tickets over here. You can book multiple boat trips from here, but the maps are pretty chaotic if you look at them quickly. At least that one over there is very clear where that one is heading to. There are quite some decent crowds over here on this area of the beach. And with just 20 degrees, it's pretty lot. And from the Dove Park there, we're gonna head into Oldtown. Oh man, this is a busy one here. Oh, and over here on the left they have the cheapest ice cream, I think, from Benidorm, and the quality is very good as well. Check those prices out, €2 just for 2 scoops, and they have a huge amount of flavors. Time to take a quick walk through the Tapas area here. before it completely fills up this evening. Because definitely we'll be busy with all the Spanish people out here now. They do want to go in. And this place, yeah, they usually eat pretty late. Like after 8 or maybe even 9. That is the time when this place, yeah, it's peak time over here. And you won't be able to get a seat. And actually went over here to Area a few days ago. Very nice quality as well. But they have many more, of course, over here. And believe it or not, but right now it is quiet out here. Could be way, way busier.
Very good, my friend.
And that brings us over here. And all these restaurants are prepared for a very, very busy evening. And maybe even night. Don't know how late it will get over here, but all those Spanish people that arrived the last few days for the Easter holidays, they do want to eat, so they go here. And a small part of them also eats at home. But usually Sunday is the day when they go out. And while being Sunday, it means as well that the Spanish people buy lottery tickets. Quite busy out there. These streets are perfect for souvenir shopping. But beware, in summer months it will get quite hot out here. As the heat will definitely keep between the buildings here. And here we are at La Creu, where they have but the terrace completely covered. As it rained this afternoon, yeah, very little, but it did rain. I've got the alley up, and we love Benidorm, yeah. Very nicely decorated candy shop. And there's even a shop that sells only ducks. And even more candy shops. Don't let your kids see those, else you will go home with an empty wallet. And these seats will fill up tonight as well. Unless it will get really lots of rain tonight, but I think we'll be alright. Got a frozen yogurt stall over here. Very good one. And you can get churros, wraps, everything. And this brings us back to the starting point over here on the Levante Beach. Much more lively than the Poniente side. But the bars are getting quiet right now. It's almost dinner time. So we're gonna have a look further down the road while heading all the way to the other side. And in the distance we can see the last few people from today leaving the beach. There we are at the Heartbreak. A busy one out here. Daytona Rock Beach, also busy out there, and live entertainment as well. And about right from here, from Hotel Symbol, that is where it's gonna be quieter out here until we arrive at the Tiki Beach, further down the beach. Yeah. Oh man, look at that. There's a whole group of people back there by that boy. All the way over there. I don't know why. As the water temperature is still very low to have a swim right now in the ocean. Maybe a pool, but definitely not the ocean right now. Okay, then this brings us to Cayman. And the Tiki Beach where the party continues over there. And it's a good thing most of it is covered, as it just started raining again. And I've got some laundry outside, so I need to get home, because I don't want to do it over again. And the lifeguard is also done with it. He's also heading home. And it's a good thing Benidorm offers so many covered locations over here, as it rained a lot in the last few days, and also for the extreme sun in the summer. And now we are nearing the Veracruz supermarket, where I need to get some last minute groceries for dinner tonight. It's gonna be chicken satay, and I need a baguette with it. It's nice to have some bread with it, so just gonna get it quickly while they're still open. If you've made it this far, then definitely thank you all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to see more videos from our channel. Please do give a like, as it greatly boosts our videos, and I hope to see you later.